Shoot it. Come on, Sugar Bear. That's the most fun you've had in a while, ain't it?
Okay, well that one specifically says do not hold in hand, so I don't really know. This is what we're supposed to use to make them. These are sparklers.
They're supposed to be sticks like this
That's what it's for. That's them.
That's not a sparkler. That's a light.
No, that's to light it with.
Well, fire it up.
See? This thing won't stay
Let me
lit.
have a lighter.
Whoa.